INNOV8 Logan is about changing the conversation in Logan. It's clearly about trying to change the conversation and talk about all the really incredibly good things that are happening in Logan. You know, we can do this in any shed. It's only a couple of hours out of the business's time, and it actually changes the mindset in the business, I believe. It changed the mindset of the staff. Our staff are all here today. They would never have experienced anything like that. You know, we've brought the chief entrepreneur into a grungy little social enterprise in the back blocks of Logan. How cool was that?
And as I stand here under this roof and I see lived examples of not what is really possible, but what is actually able to be created, repurposed and reused here in our very backyard, yet standing with the 1% of the 1% and the most brilliant minds and leaders in the world, they're still grappling with the how. And we are already in the middle of showing it as we truly do in Queensland style.
We make speakers out of recycled parts. There's a few things to it, including that there's programs in local schools to teach kids how to make these. To make one of the battery packs, it's usually about 3 hours from start to finish.
I think the thing about Logan is we're not afraid to take risks, and we're not afraid to make a mistake, and we just want to get stuff done. And we actually want to make a difference in Logan.